Happy morning, children. Today we are going to have some fun. It is nothing but tongue twister fun. Lesson number 21, tongue twister fun. What do you mean by tongue twister? When you say many times, your tongue gets twisted. You will not be able to tell the word properly. With lot of practice, we will be able to say that without mistake. Okay, so try saying that, and when you come back to school, we will have a competition. Who can tell the maximum number of tongue twisters? Okay, so today we are going to have tongue twister fun. Try out the tongue twisters below to see if you can say them smoothly or if your tongues get twisted. So Miss will tell and give you the word slowly. But you read it many times, by heart it, and try telling it fast. Okay. There are two lorries, isn't it? Red and yellow. So we are going to say that. Red lorry, yellow lorry. So when you say it fast, your tongue get twisted. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Again, more speed. Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. Your tongue gets twisted. So that is what you have to say these without twisting your tongue. Okay, so try and practice it. Next one. I scream, you scream, we all scream for an ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for what? For an ice cream. Okay, next one. Fresh fried fish, fish fresh fried. Fresh fried fish, fish fresh fried. Okay, so without mistake, when you say fast, your tongue gets twisted. You will not be, try, then only you will be able to understand. If I tell, you will not be able to understand now, but when you try saying it, you will understand. But with practice, you can tell without mistake. Next one, 3 free throws. 3 free throws, 3 free throws. Like that fast you have to say. 3 free throws, 3 free throws, 3 free throws. It becomes something else when you say. Practice it. Next one. Give Papa a cup of coffee in a copper coffee cup. Once again. Give Papa a cup of coffee in a copper coffee cup. Okay, telling it speedily. Cute cuddly kittens. Cute cuddly kittens. Cute cuddly kittens. So how many kittens? 3. And how are they? Cute. What are they? Kittens. Okay. Next one. Busy buzzing bumblebees. Busy buzzing bumblebees. See, I am also getting twisted with my tongue. Busy buzzing bumblebees. See, that is how with practice only you will be able to say. Because all b sound when it comes, you are getting confused with the pronunciation. So, tongue twister fun. So, when you revise it many times, you will be able to tell without mistake. Try, okay, it is fun. Next one. 6 silly sheep still asleep. 6 silly sheep still asleep. Next one. She sells seashells by the seashore. So, she is selling what? Seashells. Where? On the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. Next one. 60 silly sisters simply singing. 60 silly sisters simply singing. Next one. The big fat cat sat on the rat. The big fat cat sat on the rat. Next one. Double bubblegum bubbles double. Double bubblegum bubbles double. Double bubblegum bubbles double. Next one. Billy blows big blue bubbles. Who blows? Billy. What? Big blue bubbles. Billy blows big blue bubbles. Next one, vocabulary. Vocabulary means what? We are learning some new words to include in our dictionary. So, we get another word. A new word we are going to learn. That is group words. We use group words to define a group or collection of people, animals or things. So, a group of flowers. There is one word we use for a group of flowers. We give it to the guest for anniversaries and all, annual day, we give what? Bouquet. A bouquet of flowers. We do not say a group of flowers. We say a bouquet. Instead of a group of flowers, we say a bouquet of flowers. Then a group of elephants. Instead of group of elephants, when we hear herd, it's a group of elephants. So that is what we are going to learn. Bunch. A bunch of flowers. A bunch of roses. A bunch of tulips. A bunch of grapes. A bunch of cherries. A bunch of banana. A bunch of keys. So all these we use the word bunch. A group of these things we use bunch. Now, for a group of people, a group of admirers, a group of protesters, a group of kids, a group of reporters, a group of shoppers, we call them crowd. What do we say? Crowd. A crowd of people, a crowd of admirers, a crowd of protesters, a crowd of kids, a crowd of reporters, a crowd of shoppers. Admirers. Admirers means what? Who admire. When we do something good, they look at your work and they admire, appreciate that thing. Protesters. Who is against. They protest. Who is against something. Then reporters. A person who report. So for all these we use crowd. Next. A flock of sheep. A group of sheep we say a flock of sheep. A flock of birds. A flock of geese. A flock of pigeons. A flock of gulls. A flock of gannets. All these for a group we say flock. So these are all which helps you to frame better sentences. A gang of criminals. Who are criminals? Who does killing or something that is not good. A gang of teenagers. A gang of thieves. A gang of youths. A gang of workers. A group of criminals, a group of teenagers, a group of thieves, a group of youths, a group of workers. For them we say gang. What? Gang. Next one. A herd of sheep, a herd of cattle, a herd of cows, a herd of goats, a herd of deer, a herd of elephants. For a group of these we call it as herd. Herd. Herd of cattle, herd of elephants. Collective noun, a group. We say it as herd. Next, cards, playing cards, a pack of cards, a pack of cigarettes, a pack of dogs, a group of dogs we say a pack of dogs, a pack of hyenas, a pack of wolves, a pack of hounds. For all these we collectively we say pack. Is it clear? These are all for groups we use these words. Which are the words we learn? Bunch, crowd, flock, gang, herd, pack. Is it clear? Now, next page. Fill in the blanks with words from the given box below. Crowd, fleet, galaxy, school, deck, flight, range, litter. Again, these are words where we use for group of things. Okay. He looked through the telescope at the dash of stars. A group of stars is called galaxy. What is a group of stars called? Galaxy. So, he looked through the telescope at the galaxy of stars. Next one. A dash of fish swam through the coral reef. What do we say for a group of fish? School. A group of fish is called school. Shuffle the deck of cards. We already learned for cards, pack of cards. Another word is deck. Deck of cards. Next one. A dash of puppies snuggled next to their mother. There are many puppies. For a group of puppies, what do we say? Litter. Litter. What do we say? Litter. Next one. A dash of people gathered to watch the parade. We learned group of people. Crowd. Very good. A dash of steps led up to the balcony. A flight. So many group of steps are called flight. Next one. The dash of ships left the port. The fleet of ships. What do we say? The fleet of ships. Next one. The map shows where to find the mountain range. The map shows where to find the mountain range. Next one. We are going to learn compound words. What are we going to learn? Compound words. When two words are joined together, we say it as compound words. When two separate words form one word, it is called compound words. So, for example, shoe flower. Shoe is one word. Flower is another word. Shoe flower. For hibiscus, what do we say? Shoe flower. So, there are two words. When we put together, we get another word. Shoe flower. That is called compound words. Let's see some examples given here. Complete the compound words path by filling in the blanks. Choose words from the box given below. So, there is a box given. Foot, brush, wind, house, bed, hopper, rain, straw, back, corn. Hair. You have to use a word from the box to make a word. Hair. What do we comb with? Hairbrush. We use the hairbrush to comb our hair. Next one. Dash bow. When the rain comes, after the rain, when the sun comes, what do you see? A rainbow. Very good. Next one. Pop corn. Yes, children love to eat them. Popcorn. Next one. Dash berry. Strawberry. Red in color. Everybody love to eat. Strawberry. Dash ball. You kick and play. What is it? Football. Next one. Grass dasher. There is an insect. What is that insect? Grasshopper. Very good. Light dash. It shows the light. Lighthouse. Dash pack. Backpack. What you put on your back? Small bags. Backpack. Dash room. Where do you go to sleep? Bedroom. Next one. Dash mill. It gives you, with the help of the wind, when it rotates, you get electricity. Windmill. Yes. So, these are compound words. Two different words. When put together, we get a new word. And that is called compound words. Look at the sets of pictures. Guess and write one word that ties that set together. One has been done for you. Okay, 3 pictures are given. You have to make a word. Okay, first one. Hair, paint, tooth, brush. Hairbrush, we comb our hair. Paintbrush, we paint. Toothbrush, we brush our teeth. Next one. Butterfly, housefly, firefly. What is firefly? Minna Mininga. The name for firefly is Minna Mininga. Next one. Bookworm, a person who always reads book. Bookworm. Earthworm. Next. Tapeworm. All these are worms. Bookworm, those who always read from the book. Earthworm, which you see in the mud. Tapeworm, what comes in our stomach. Next one. Treehouse, clubhouse, birdhouse. All these are words. When we put together, we get a new word. Next one. Pancake. We eat, isn't it? Cheesecake. Cupcake. Next one. Football. Beach ball. Basketball. Very good. Next one. Clownfish. Catfish. Shellfish. Yes. Next, bath. Join the words. Sun bath. Bird bath. Bubble bath. We put in the tub bubble bath and we lie in that bubble bath. Is it clear? So, we are joining 2 different words to make it a new word, and that is called compound words. So many words we learn now. Vocabulary, we have increased our vocabulary. The words we have increased. So we learned. So you have to learn the spellings, and next time when you see a group of something, you should use the word that we have learned. When you go out to the market, you see a group of people standing together. What will you say? Mama, see a crowd of people standing there. Okay, that is how you start using the words that you learn. Try and learn these words and try making sentence. Whenever you come across, say that word so it registers in your mind. Hope the lesson is clear. See you in next class.